All right, now we're doing 7Q, find the anonymous function. This is by Matt C, and 90% of the people like it. We're going to find the anonymous function in the given array and use the function to filter the array, all right? The first parameter will be an array with an anonymous function somewhere in the lot. The second parameter will be an array which we will filter using the anonymous function we find. So like in this one, we're going to find something that's looking for evens, and we'll filter through this one and pull out 2 and 4. And then same with this one, except for we're looking for odds, we'll find 1 and 3, and there it is. All right, so to start off with, we're going to declare some variables. We're going to let found equals 0. And then we're going to let result equal an empty array, all right? So this 0, that's where we're going to put the function we find. We're going to put it in found, and then we're going to return this in this array in result. All right, you know what I'm saying. So we're going to say 4 right here, so we can iterate through this first array. We're going to say 4 and let index equals 0, while index is less than func dot length. We're going to say index plus plus. All right. And then what we're going to do here to find this is we're going to say if, and then we're going to do the type of operator, type of. And the type of operator basically returns a string indicating the type of the unevaluated operand. So we're going to put the operand in there, and it'll give us one of these results, and the result we're looking for is function. All right. So the operand is going to be func at the current index, and then we're going to see if it equals function, the string function. All right. And if it does, we're going to say found equals func at the current index. All right. Now we've got that taken care of. Now we're going to look for we're going to filter out whatever the function says to filter out. And to do that, we're going to say let me just take this whole thing right here, put it right here, and we're going to change this to R. All right. And now we're iterating through the second one. And what we're going to do here is we're going to say if, and with that, we're going to say if found, because found is a function, it's going to be this function, and then we're going to run through this function the current index of R. So I found R at the current index. All right. If it's true, we're going to say result dot push, and we're going to push in their array at the current index. Right. And then we're going to say return result. Let's see what happens. What's wrong here? Looks like I put a comma in there, in both of them, since I copy pasted. All right, there we go. Let's test it out. Something's wrong again. All right. Func.r, what the heck? Okay. Okay, that's ridiculous. Result. That's killing me. 53 milliseconds, that's slow. Let's see if we can beat it with the concise syntax. Well, luckily the concise syntax is like super short. So let's take out this, and let's turn all this into an arrow. And for the concise syntax, what we're going to do is we're going to use the find method to return the first element in the provided array that satisfied the provided testing function. And for the testing function, we're going to use this isNaN function to determine whether the value is not a number or not. So as we can see, the only thing not a number will be the function. So we're going to say func dot, what was it, find, and then we're going to find isNaN, all right? Because these two, I mean, you can try to picture in your head what this says. This knows that this is looking for this, and this knows that this is looking for this, and so they hang out and they're cool. So now what we're going to do here, not dot anything, now we're going to filter whatever this is. So we're going to use the filter method, which creates a shallow copy of a portion of a given array filtered down to just the elements from a given array, from the given array that passed the tests implemented by the provided function. So this is the function that's provided, so we're going to wrap this up in parentheses, and we're going to say r.filter. And this should take care of business. Let's test it out. Awesome. And let's attempt it. 45 milliseconds. All right, that's faster. Let's submit it. Very much like this one, my solutions, best practice on this one, and we'll see you next time.